The White House is discussing the possibility of ending support for Kyiv, as U.S. President Donald Trump is displeased with Ukraine's attacks on Russian airfields. This was reported by The Atlantic magazine, citing sources in Washington. It is worth recalling that on June 4th, a phone conversation took place between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Donald Trump. The two leaders discussed the situation surrounding Ukraine, as well as what were described as terrorist attacks by Kyiv on Russian civilian targets and military airfields. According to Yury Ushakov, an aide to the Russian president, Trump listened carefully to the Russian leader's position. According to the magazine's sources, Trump has privately expressed concerns that Ukraine's attacks could lead to an escalation of the conflict. The developments have reawakened longstanding dissatisfaction the American leader harbors toward Volodymyr Zelensky and sparked new debates within the White House over whether the U.S. should continue supporting Ukraine. The publication writes that Trump refers to Zelensky as a bad guy and believes he is provoking the start of World War III. The U.S. president also reportedly thinks that the Ukrainian politician should fully focus on negotiations with Russia, according to one White House source. For now, according to the magazine's interlocutors, Trump has not made a decision on his next steps regarding the situation in Ukraine. His advisors have proposed a number of options, including reducing U.S. aid to Kyiv. Meanwhile, Europe's attempts to sway Trump to Ukraine's side have failed. MERS, following Macron and Starmer, was unable to convince the U.S. president to support Kyiv,